How to make whipped sugar body scrub. Let's make Love Spell whipped sugar body scrub. Shea butter, sugar, coconut oil, body wash, mica color powder, your choice of fragrance.
Okay, so now that I finished whipping up all the ingredients, now it is time to separate two different bowls with this amazing body scrub. Are you ready to refine your skin? This is definitely going to be your go-to product. And I am so excited for this amazing fragrance that I'm using today, Love Spell. Oh my goodness. This was one of the best fragrances that I used for my Valentine's Day collection. It was a success. It was called Love Letter and very popular. Super amazing smell. And actually, I feel like I'm going to leave it on my website year round because it was an amazing turnout. Who doesn't love the way the smell of Love Letter smells? It is amazing to me. So now that I'm going to go ahead and add the purple mica powder, which honestly has been an amazing success with dyeing my products, because before it was a trial and error on using the actual liquid version. The powder definitely has been the most amazing turnout. So just learn from what I am doing so that if you are interested in doing this yourself, this definitely has been an amazing turnout for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix the colors together and make sure that it's all covered up with this color purple. Purple actually is one of my favorite colors ever. So side note about me, I love purple. Yay, me. So I'm just going to continue to go ahead and mix it up. Looks so good. Look at that. It is an amazing texture. Beautiful. Look at that. And I was so excited to try this out after I made this. Oh my goodness. It felt phenomenal to go ahead and exfoliate my skin. It's been a while. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up the pink. Look how neon that is. I absolutely love neon colors. So obsessed. This is going to be just in time for my spring collection and into the summer. So I'm sure this is going to be a hit as well, because who doesn't love beautiful colors like this? Very eye-catching. And look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the Love Spell fragrance to the bowl. So I actually order all of my products from Amazon. Yay, Amazon has been my go-to. It's time to mix. Make sure it's nice and mixed in there. I love it, love it. I'm so obsessed. Look at how pretty it is. So nice. And it smells amazing. Pink and purple. So nice. It's time to pour it in. And you can mix it however you would like. I just was trying something out. I recently ordered some icing tips, so I'm going to use that next time whenever it arrives, just to see how it turns out. But for right now, this was the first batch of the new collection. Look at that. It's going outside of the actual jar, but it's okay. We got something for that. We can use wipes to clean it off. You got this. So look at that. Look at the two-tone, it's so cute. Wow. Almost done. It's filling up just right. Wow. All done. Look at that. It turned out perfect.